This motorhome is the Dethleffs Esprit GT i7150 DBM. So I'm going to show it to you now rather quickly. Please have a look at two things. One is the longer version of this video, and the second thing is the description box above. Now, so what we've got here with this motorhome is a queen bed at the back. It doesn't go up and down this, but it does give you a big garage at the back. Under it we've got storage down here, and we've also obviously in this queen bed got wardrobes either side of the bed and storage above the bed. And nice feature is the profile of the wardrobe, and we've got this wonderful large skylight at the top. For those who want a bit of privacy, you can close this along by pulling this across like that. Here we have the toilet, and this also comes with a shower on the other side of the vehicle, with a place to hang your socks once you've washed them. Next to this we have a kitchen. It's got three bit hobs here. This is from the oven, and here we have the sink. We've got storage below that, and this central locking feature here. Still on. Sorry. Central locking, which is very useful. Here, a fridge up door that opens two ways, and up there freezer and an oven. We've got a bed that comes down, wonderful seats, pneumatic features and large table, but the seats are brilliant. This one I put up to the maximum height, this one I put to the lowest. I think it's the lowest, might even go lower, but you can see you can great height adjustment on the vehicle. And another feature is this wide door. So that's a quick look at this model. Under 3 minutes, but if you want to know more about it, then you can see a longer film I did on it, a link to which will be below. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Izny im Allgäu in southern Germany.